Everett Abrams with DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. Here we're at a job in Marlton, New Jersey, where we used everything we use in our arsenal and our services. So we soft washed the house. We pressure washed some areas around the house, the outside. We have a back deck, we have a front deck, which we're right here near. We have a couple sheds. We have a lot of stuff on awning cleaning here as well in the back from the back deck. So we brought out a big part of all of our services, which is why we use the word plus. DRP stands for Deck Restoration Plus. So here what we did is, which is what we normally do, we're the specialist in all things wood and all decks. So any exterior wood restoration. So here we have a deck we've been taking care of for quite a few years, and this deck had Seneca Brown on it. And when we first put it on, it's really nice, but boy, as it wears and we continue to maintain it, it really gets a nice rich color. So here we can see all the grain through it, has a nice warm light brown. The lattice though had gone bad and rotted, so what we did was we framed it out and we put some new lattice on and we stained that. So this looks a little different than the aged wood as far as tone, but it'll all match up pretty quick within a year. But this is what we do. So we build new decks, we rebuild decks, but we also can replace lattice and just give your deck a facelift, and that's what we do. And then we use our products, our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, to really make it beautiful and to accentuate the grain and just drive it home. And what we're trying to do is create that outdoor living space that you're going to enjoy. You want to sit out here, have a cup of coffee in the morning, you want to sit out back in the sun, we're all ready to go. The back deck has our Morristown brown, a darker brown, but everything's cleaned up. The place is just really nice and inviting, and you can see the background with the trees. There's actually water I'm looking at in a lake. It's just really, really a beautiful area, and we've come in and we've just, really put the finishing touches on what's going to be a beautiful property to enjoy for the rest of the 2024 season. If you're looking to have the same done, or you want your outdoor living space fixed up, rebuilt, repaired, stained, cleaned, whatever it is, give us a call at DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and thank you for checking out our video.